The other thing that people have been talking about is this diminishing return theory, because the increase in Bitcoin cycle to cycle was lower between the previous two. And I argue two reasons why that should not be necessarily be the case in this cycle or the next one, which is that firstly, the previous cycle was disrupted by a lot of stuff. You know, the China mining ban, the COVID, the supply chain, the quantitative easing, the DeFi kind of Ponzi contagion. And so I'd say that the previous cycle was a kind of one-off event, and you shouldn't like draw too much inference from that. And then the other thing is that technology goes through S-curve adoptions, like sort of pattern, right? Where there's early adopters, it's growing slowly, and at some point you get a kind of network effect where it grows more quickly. And with Bitcoin, there are more network effects because people who are already in the network, you know, if you're on the internet, you're only on the internet once. If you have a mobile phone, you don't need more than like one or two. But with Bitcoin, people get more enthusiastic because they see other people getting involved, and then they go and buy more at a higher price. So you get the kind of network effect of people getting more conviction, I guess, right? And that's contagious. So I'm thinking it could be an interesting cycle or two here coming up, because we might get to see breaking the gold parity, taking some of the shine off gold, and disproving the diminishing return theory to the upside. And then, of course, you know, you've got the institutional adoption, institutions being money managers of individuals' money, as like pension funds, mutual funds, or just people's savings plans. Most people, the average person, doesn't self-manage a stock portfolio, so their savings and their pensions and life insurance is all managed by other people. So if those people clue in and buy Bitcoin, that's a form of Bitcoin adoption for the everyday person. So as that does come, you know exactly the timing, because they're slow movers, that also has a network effect because they look at each other for cues. So timing is hard, but I think this could be a turning point for the network to start growing faster.
Tired of fake innovation? CHROMA builds real light therapy tools, no fluff, no gimmicks. From the Iron Forge to the Sky Portal, it's high output, human first lighting designed by Bitcoiners who move fast and build things. Visit getchroma.co, light that actually works. Use code BTC Sessions for 10% off.